Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Nadasha B if you're new here. If you're not new here, as always, thank you so much for joining me again for yet another upload. Before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and also hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any more uploads coming up for me. So as stated in the title, I'll be doing a wig review on Megalook's Balayage unit. This unit is in 24 inches and all of the details will be down below in the description. Now I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys. This is my first time ever wearing a lace frontal, so this install is not going to be perfect. It's not going to look like someone who's been doing this for years. As you know, if you've been on my channel for a while, I more so do silk presses and things of that sort with natural hair, so this is completely new to me. But I will say, overall, I think I did a really good job. Now I'll go ahead and start explaining to you all what I'm doing in this specific clip. I'm using my hairspray. This is the Sebastian Shaper Plus, and I'm using a fine tooth comb to go ahead and comb back my edges. Now again, I'm new to this, so I did watch a couple of videos to see what to do, and this is what I've seen, so I took it and I ran with it. I blow dried my hair on medium setting. You'll see right here, I literally just burned myself. And when I tell you guys, please do not be like me. If you're new to this, don't be like me, okay? Do not be over here burning your hairline off, because as you can see, I have a McDonald's hairline and it makes an M and it come down real close to my eyebrows. So don't do that or you're not gonna have no edges. So I cut my ear tabs out off camera, and then right now I'm just using the Ruby Kisses foundation in the color I believe it was 14. And then this product that I'm using is a spray. It's from Mad About Michi. You can find her here on YouTube. She also does hair videos as well. This product is so good. I literally was able to take this wig off in under 10 seconds. I kid you not. All I did was wet a towel, put some warm water on it, and use circular motions, and it lifted right off. Okay, like I swear to God, this product is amazing. I kept my blow dryer on the medium setting, and that is what I'm using to go ahead and mold down and press down so that cap is adhering to the spray. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the construction. It comes with an elastic bag, an elastic band, and it also has 3 clips on here to just help with the security. And then what I pretty much did was just use that same color, number 14, and I used the darkest shade in the palette of 2, and I used my makeup brush and pretty much just went in to make sure that the wig looked like scalp. It took a little minute for me to get this adjusted. As you guys can see, I'm really just trying to make sure that I have everything on properly and making sure that those combs are actually secured and in my head. We do not need this wig going anywhere. Guys, I really love the construction of this unit. I love that they have the 3 combs in there along with the elastic band. And I really like how I feel like they strategically place those pieces of blonde right at the front. This is my first time also having a wig with color as well. So I really just love how everything came together. I love those pieces at the front. I feel like it really will just make your skin tone pop. Even if you're my color or a couple shades darker, a couple shades lighter, I think this is the perfect blonde to really go with any skin tone. Now I'm just using my elastic band to lay down my edges just to make sure that everything is laying as flat as possible. Megalook does give you an elastic band in your packaging, so you do not have to worry about purchasing one. This is just my own. I had this already pulled out before I even noticed that they had one in the packaging. So yeah, that's my fault, but definitely do not go out and purchase one. And then also, just to add, the shipping was super fast. I got my package, I believe it was in like 4 or 5 days. So if you're someone who likes to get your packages super quick, especially when you're dishing out a lot of money, Megalook will make sure that you're getting your packages quick for your hair. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I did not pluck anything on this unit besides, of course, the baby hairs. Well, let me not say pluck, I cut those. But I didn't pluck anything on this wig. So if you're someone who's like, you really know what you're doing, I'm telling you, you can really make this wig a top-notch wig. The quality was amazing. I didn't really have any shedding. And when I say that, I'll be specific. It was minimal to no shedding. So I would definitely pick up this wig, like for sure. Y'all see how I'm holding this hot comb? What is it giving? What is it giving? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna make it look like I know what I'm doing. Right? All right. Y'all get me. Y'all get me. So because I forgot to add the unboxing at the beginning of this video, I'll go ahead and do it now. It came with a cute bag, a pair of eyelashes, their elastic band, a wig cap, and also just an edge brush. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this content. Let me know some videos you would like to see coming up. And yeah, guys, also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you didn't do it already at the beginning of this video. And also go ahead and leave me some constructive criticism down below if you're someone who is not new to this. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
13 hours till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept